Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about virus and vaccines. Here is the simple definition for virus. What are viruses? Viruses are infectious agent capable of causing disease, small, so small that they cannot be seen with naked eyes but need electron microscope to be seen. Here is the another definition for virus which is in detail. Viruses are non-cellular infectious entities that contain nucleic acid like DNA or RNA. They can reproduce only in living cell and they use the cell's biosynthetic machinery to direct their synthesis of specialized particles like virions, which contain viral genome, and it is transferred from one cell to another cell. Now we are going to discuss about the characteristics of virus. Viruses are 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria and their size ranges from 20 to 300 nanometer. They can pass through pores or filters through which bacteria cannot pass. They grow in plant, animal or microbial cell, but they are not able to grow on artificial media. They lack metabolic machinery of their own, but they depend on host cell for their vital function. But they have genetic information for replication but need host cell. Another characteristics of viruses are that they can transmit from one host to another. They have genetic material, either RNA or DNA. They can infect fungi, algae, insects, and they cause disease during their reproduction. They cause many types of diseases. Common diseases are like flu, cold, and chronic diseases are like smallpox and COVID-19. They are so small that they can be seen only under electron microscope. Now we are going to discuss about virions. Virions are the structurally complete, mature and infectious virus. These virions contain nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, which is enclosed in highly specialized protein coat of varying design. This coat of virions help them or protect them when they are outside the host cell, and their size ranges from 20 to 350 nanometer. In this slide, we are going to deal with the definition of vaccine. What are vaccines? Vaccines are a preparation of killed or attenuated microorganisms or their components or their products that is used to induce active immunity against a disease. Another definition for vaccine is that they are suspension of killed, living or attenuated cultures of microorganisms that are used as antigen to produce immunity against infection due to a particular microorganism. Two important facts about vaccine are: it was first created by Edward Jenner, and the word vaccine was derived from Latin word vacca, meaning cow, related to the disease cowpox. Now, how vaccines are made? Viruses are grown either on primary cells or on continuous cell line. Then the bacteria are grown in the bioreactors. After the growth, the antigens are isolated from the cell. The antigen generated are inactivated by heat, chemical or radiations, or attenuated. Then purified by ultrafiltration or column chromatography. Further, it is formulated by adding adjuvant, stabilizer or preservatives as needed. Finally, filling vials with vaccines and packaging them for distribution. Now we are going to discuss about types of vaccine. The first one is inactivated vaccine, in which viruses are treated with heat, chemical or radiations to destroy their virulence power. The example is typhoid fever vaccine, which contains killed cells of Salmonella typhi. The second type of vaccine is attenuated vaccine, in which viruses are converted to less dangerous organisms to produce a broad immune response by cultivating them under conditions that disable their virulence properties. For example, yellow fever vaccine is attenuated by growing it in embryonated eggs. The third type of vaccine is toxoids, which are made from extracellular toxins by destroying the poisonous portion with heat, ultraviolet light or chemicals without altering their antigenic specificity and often enhancing their immunogenicity. example, tetanus vaccine, which is produced from toxin-producing microorganism tetany. The fourth type of vaccine is heterotypic. These are substances that stimulate the production of antibodies capable of reacting with tissues of a wide variety of unrelated animals or plants. For example, use of BCG vaccine made from Mycobacterium bovis. Now we are going to discuss about the advantages of vaccine. Vaccination helps us protect ourselves from chronic disease. It helps prevent mass spreading of disease, control epidemics and pandemics. It also helps in prevention of chronic disease, which leads to healthy nation. There are also disadvantages of vaccine. Some vaccines may cause side effects like fever, nausea, etc. Sometimes vaccines are very costly, and booster dose of vaccines can cause inconvenience like injections, which leads to pain. Finally, it is also not fully guaranteed. Thank you friends. Hope this video has been helpful to you. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Also, your comments and suggestions are welcome. You can also mail us at easygobiotech@gmail.com. Thank you.